This is a top floor, fifth floor walk up. This is the hallway. The apartment. As a dishwasher, each room has a window. Full-size appliances, has a microwave with a hood. Nice floors. And this is the bathroom. Has a window here. And has a fan. The heat and hot water is included, living super, washer and dryer, and this extra storage on top. That fits a couch this way. Closet. And overhead. Nice exposed brick wall. That fits a queen size with a dresser. You could put a dresser here too. Closet. And as overhead. Beautiful open view. Skylight. The Q train is like next door. Beautiful finish. Recently renovated.